Kami palagi. Whoa, dude.
Wow, what a boring past few weeks it has been.
Botswana!
All because I have been getting grounded on pretty much a consistent basis. Could not do anything except go to school and do my boring homework, as usual. Could not leave the house other than go to school.
This is the
No,
cinema! Give
this
some
cannot be
respect!
happening to me. And you know what? This
This
is all Arthur's fault. He gets everything he wants, yet I don't get anything. This is so not fair. Why? Why? Why does he get the whole world? Why does he not get grounded at all? And I get grounded like all of the time, literally. This has got to stop, right, now. What can I do in order to teach Arthur a very big lesson that he won't forget? I have to think of something, but I don't know. Oh, wait a minute, I just thought of something. Remember when Tony installed Karen OS on Antonio Lombardo's laptop a while back? I was thinking, what if
That's it, buddy, you're out of here!
a copy of the operating system from either Karen, or Arthur, and I install it on Arthur's computer. In that way, he is probably going to miss a bunch of homework assignments and end up failing all of his classes and having to repeat the 12th grade next year.
Macarena, shush!
Ha 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 ha. And that reminds me,
That's enough, fella! Move that ticket!
I need to install it on Arthur's computer when he's not around. For example, if he is hanging out with Buster. Now, to send Karen a text message on WhatsApp.
Did I just receive a text message from someone? Let me check my phone and see. It's from DW. Let's read the message.
Oh, well, if it isn't Mr. Peanut again. Out you go!
Oh, good. I cannot believe this is going to go according to plan. Getting a copy of the operating system from Karen, and then tomorrow, I will be installing it on Arthur's laptop. I can't wait
They
to
do
see
not
the look
pay
on
me
his
enough to
face
deal
when
with
he
this
cannot
baloney.
turn
Get
his
up,
homework
get
on
out.
time.
Oh, c'est les bouillards! Bayou pudding! Oh!
I will go to the front door and ring the doorbell, and in no time she will give me a copy of OS. Then I will on Arthur's computer.
Bow, 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 bow! Okay.
Well, if it isn't Mr. Talks Too Much.
Someone rang the doorbell, and I think it's DW. Better go get the door. I am going to give her Karen OS.
Hey Karen.
Hey DW, here is the copy of Karen OS, and I will be happy for you once you have installed it on Arthur's computer.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Now, if your parents ground you for installing Karen OS on Arthur's laptop, call me, and I can see your family in court.
Time to go, Gabby Goose.
Well, I think I've been studying and doing my homework the last couple of hours, but I think right now it is time to take a 30-minute break, so I am going to go for a walk around the neighborhood before getting back to studying, because I need some fresh air.
Some waffle fries. I've got one for you.
Time to put your walking boots
The
on.
coast is clear. Now, time to install Karen OS onto Arthur's computer before he gets home. let's insert the disk into the computer to get started. Now, I will press enter to start formatting the disk, and in no time, I will have Karen OS installed on Arthur's laptop. Yes, I just installed Karen OS onto Arthur's computer. Now, I cannot wait to see the reaction on his face. Time to head downstairs.
Now that I've gotten back from my walk, let's finish this homework assignment and then continue studying for the upcoming exam in science. Wait a minute, what is this box doing here on my desk? It wasn't here when I left. Oh well, time to hit the books. Oh my goodness, what in the world happened to my computer? And what happened to Microsoft Word and Google Chrome? This looks nothing like Windows 10, but some strange operating system created by a troublemaker. I have to see who it is who decided to take over my computer, because I need to get
This
back
is the
to study.
cinemas! Have some respect!
Welcome to Karen OS. My name is Karen, and I will guide you through when you learn to use this operating system.
They do not
install
pay me enough to deal with this
Karen OS on
baloney.
this
Get up!
computer.
Get out!
I know for a fact